significant political statement and a very significant statement today. One more controversy is erupting. Akhilesh Yadav has endorsed his party MP R.K. Chaudhary's controversial remarks on the Sengol, labeling it a symbol of monarchy. Akhilesh also noted that the Prime Minister did not bow to the Sengol when taking his oath. That is a big update coming in on Republic TV. And as we keep getting more updates, remember that the Sengol controversies erupted once again after we're seeing that an SP MP R.K. Chaudhary has written to the Speaker that the Sengol must be replaced by the copy of the Constitution. Now we are seeing that Akhilesh Yadav is backing the SP MP. That is a big update coming in right now. And Akhilesh has said the Prime Minister did not bow to the Sengol when taking his oath. So this Sengol controversy is really getting bigger and bigger. This time today, it's become the latest flashpoint on the day 4 of the Parliament. Let's go ahead and play out the reactions.
मुझे लगता है कि हमारे सांसद इसलिए कह रहे होंगे कि जब पहली बार लगा था तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बाकायदा प्रणाम किया था। इस बार शपथ लेते समय शायद वो भूल गए। उसी को याद दिलाने के लिए लगता है मेरे पार्टी के सांसद ने कुछ इस तरह का पत्र लिखा है।
And viewers, let's go ahead to my colleague Rakshita, who's right outside the Parliament. Rakshita, Sengol politics is back once again. Now, what we see right now is that the SPMP has said very clearly, he has said that Sengol is a Tamil word that means scepter, and he is saying that instead of the Sengol, it should be replaced by the Constitution, the copy of the Constitution to quote-unquote save democracy. Akhilesh Yadav has reacted on this. Take us through the latest details we're learning of. Rakshita.
Well, since day one, we are seeing this is becoming constitution versus democracy. Of course, these are the words that are sort of can be intertwined. This democracy is, of course, quite a lot packed in that constitution that is being debated upon. But since day one, we are seeing how the opposition has tried to take on the government over the constitution, and we saw how the Prime Minister, the Speaker, and now the President has also invoked the emergency. He isn't talking about how democratic rights have been trampled upon once in the history of the country, which should not be repeated ever. And of course, this clearly points towards the Congress party and the opposition's now this Sengol offensive. It plays out against the backdrop of this, India alliance ghirawing the government, trying to take on the government, trying to take on Prime Minister.
Hold on, Rakshita.
On what they say is a dictatorial government.
Yes, Rakshita, we're getting some more breaking updates.